What's up, everybody? Here we have a 2002 CR250. She's in pretty bad shape. The previous owner certainly did not own a pressure washer or make any attempt to borrow one. All the fluid that was once in the forks is now down all over the brake. The caliper was already removed when I purchased it. And here we've got a huge amount of spooge. And then this guy's flopping around everywhere. Quite dirty in there. And then plastics that were hardly on. You know, it should be a fun little project. And here's the kicker. This is the space I have to do the rebuild on this bike, so it's going to be interesting.